y'all, welcome back. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. So as you can see, my wig came. So this is gonna be a wig review. I'm gonna show y'all what the wig looks like. We're gonna go over the specs, the companies, all that stuff. But yeah, so let's get into it. Also, everything to know about me is down below. So if you want to contact me, subscribe to my other channels, check out my shops and things that I have, go ahead, and my other channels as well. But so this is the Amazon wig, y'all. One thing I will say, I'm not a person who's going to be reviewing AliExpress wigs because lately they've been really thin, okay? Especially when it's 40 inches, you only get 28 inches maybe, and the rest is just filler hair. But y'all, I got a hair appointment coming up on October the 15th, and at the end of the video I will be showing you and coming back and showing you how my wig be slayed, how my girls do my hair, and just like my initial review after getting it installed. But first we're going to talk about the wig. So first things first, I opened the box and it came in the box, which is crazy because normally when you order a wig it comes in a package, but this is how it came. Open the box, here's the bag. So this is Lemoda Hair. This is a well-known hair company. This is how the bag looks. A lot of you guys are familiar with Lemoda Hair, especially if you've been watching hair reviews or YouTube videos for the last couple years. So anyways, this is 100% human hair wig. So I ordered a 250 density human hair curly wig. This is supposed to be 26 inches. I normally go all the way to 30 inches. However, and my camera's about to die. Dang, I just said it was full. But anyways, yeah, so if my camera turns off, you know why. So anyways, that is how the hair looks. It also comes in this bag with these ties on it. This is kind of different. I normally never see companies with these little ties like this. You know, they normally come in a silk bag, but this is how the initial bag looks. This is the Lemoda Hair. I did order this off Amazon, but I know they have their own storefront as well too. And of course, I wanted to make sure the wig was pre-plucked, all that stuff. And one thing about me, curly wigs, I need my curly wigs to be thick, because as soon as you put them on, they're thick. You wash them, and the next thing you know, either the hair is thinning out because the curly wig is curly hair. That's what it's going to do. Or more importantly, it's going to give the length. But more importantly, this is supposed to be 26 inches, but I'm 5'2", so this 26 may turn into a 30. All right, but yeah, it did come with the HD wig caps. That every wig comes with one size fits all. I don't really like these HD caps. However, these are really good caps. These are like super thin. I'm going to show you guys how this. Okay, y'all, sorry about that, my camera battery died. But let's get back into these wig caps. So two of them do come in here. At first I didn't think they were HD caps until I actually looked. They're the thin ones, because you know the normal caps you get are kind of thin, which is fine to do your install with. However, it's a little harder to get a nice thin melt. But these are like thin, like stocking cap thin. Like, look how thin this is. This is a HD cap, okay? This is a wig cap that's giving. So I'm definitely going to show these to my hairstylist and see what she thinks. But I actually think they're very thin. All right, so these are the wig caps and how they come. You can use one cap, you can use two. Me personally, I use one when I'm reinstalling my wigs. All right, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. But I really like, I just realized they also have the search engine at the bottom of this. That I think that's so cute design wise. But anyways, so this is how the wig comes in the standard bag. The bottom, it does have a QR code if you want to, I'm guessing, leave a review or anything like that. All right, but y'all, let's look at the wig. I really, because y'all, I haven't got my hair done in a little minute because I've been trying to let my natural hair breathe, and then I've been having braids this summer. So I'm hoping this wig eats down. But first things first, this is the wig hairline. What I will say, the knots are eating down, so not a lot of plucking. Also, if you want to just wear the wig and it comes like that, that's perfectly fine too. But I'm seeing the knots, like you can barely see them. Like, not who, not what, yeah. So not too much bleaching you have to do. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one piece and the hair in it, and we're going to look at the actual hair. But I like how they clip it to this, and then they want you to see like maybe he's not eating. They really are. But yeah, so let's remove the clips off the top. The only thing that it didn't come with was a silk bag. Normally they have a silk bag to preserve the hair. However, I do have an extra one. That's fine. I will be putting it in. This kind of comes in the top, of course. Silica gel to keep it nice and fresh. And I just want to smell the wig, y'all. Hold on. So it doesn't have like a fishy smell. It does have the smell like when you first what do you call it, like when you first flattering your hair or something, but not anything too serious. Off the rip, I'm touching the hair. It's really super soft. I really like the curl pattern as well too, because it doesn't give me like, you know how when you order a wig off of Amazon and I wouldn't say the curls is crunchy, but it gives like, okay, this is like processed in a way, or it gives crunchy hair. But no, this is, the curls actually really soft, which I'm highly surprised. But yeah, this is 26 inches. Root to tip, the hair is actually really thin. I mean, excuse me, not thin, thick. I don't know, I can't talk today. But anyways, the hair is thick from root to tip so far, but you know, it may be different once we wash it. Of course, I do see a couple strands of hair in here that are like a different color. I won't say a different color, but y'all know what I mean. Like, I'm gonna show you, see if I can pull it out. Either they look like bleached, or you can tell like red strands. I'm seeing a couple red strands. Yeah, I'm seeing a couple red strands here. Other than that, I really like the hair. First off, super soft, super thick. I can get my hands through it. This is the curl pattern. And then when I turn it inwards, this is supposed to be a 13 by 6 instead of a 13 by 4. Y'all, enough with the 13 by 4s. We have to leave the 13 by 4s alone, okay? So it does come with clips on the side and the middle, and then one in the back. Okay, so the standard wig look, one down here. It does have the straps as well too if you want to make it tighter or looser, but this is how the wig looks at the top. So this is a 13 by 6, correct? But only thing I don't like is that on the sides of the wig, they always, it doesn't go all the way to the ear tab. I don't know. So this may be a tight fitting wig. I'm actually going to try to see if I can just put this on really quickly, see if it'll, but also the lace isn't bad. So I'm just going to plop this on my head. So anyways, this is how the hair looks without me getting it done or anything. But I wanted to show y'all the front. So when I said the knots were really good, this is what I meant. If you wanted to wear it like this and do like a middle part or something, that will perfectly be okay. But the thing that I was talking about is the ear tabs. This makes me feel like the wig is, I wouldn't say it's tight fitting on my head, but I feel like I'm going to have a problem with the ear tabs on the side. If you guys can't see that, I feel like I'm going to have a problem with the ear tabs on the actual side, because you know how when they do your edges on the side, that's cool, but I don't know, it looks kind of short. But anyways, this is the actual wig. I really like the wig. I think I'm actually going to try to do like a flip over, like when I get my hair done. I'm going to do like a little flip over or something like that, because I always get a side part. Of course, the hair in the front is a little bit shorter than the actual hair on the whole entire head. That's something I don't like, but if you don't like that, you can always get a custom wig. But right now it's giving thick, it's giving luscious. Like even me not even having my hair done, I'm already kind of excited, like this shit is eating the fuck. I don't know. All right, but yeah, or if you want to get like a hairstyle up, like one of them little ponytails some girls be having, you could definitely do that as well too. Actually, that might be my style, because that's actually kind of cute, like with the little ponytail. I think that's cute. But anyway, so this is how the wig looks. So far so good. Even though I've been running my hands through it, I haven't gotten a lot of shedding. This is probably like the most shedding that I've gotten so far. Not a lot, maybe just a couple strands, but once again, it is curly hair. This is high maintenance hair as well too, so if you're looking for something low maintenance, you may want to get a straight wig or a body wave wig, because it's just like your natural hair. But yeah, this is how much hair I got, if my camera will focus. My camera's too focused on my face, but yeah, this little bit, this is how much hair that I've been getting since I've been just running my fingers through. But y'all, I'm so excited for this wig. Like, do y'all see this? Let me turn it all the way around. Do y'all see this? I feel like it's going to eat down, like, you know. Mind you, I actually got this wig because I'm on some self-development shit, and I just feel like this is the perfect glow up wig. It's not too long, it's not too short. It does reach my lower stomach to waist, and I'm 5'2", so that's a great thing. But y'all, I'm really loving this wig. I love the way it feels. It's really soft. The density is definitely giving density, and you know how as soon as you wash the wig, it's going to be even thicker than that. So right now, if I had to think about the density, I would say it's definitely 200. Like, it gives me 200 density dry, but I know if I was to wet the hair and style it and do all that stuff, it would probably be much thicker. But anyways, I'm glad I wore my hair in a bun today. But y'all, I'm really surprised by this wig because normally the wigs are so thin, especially once you wear them to the ends, they kind of thin out. So I'm definitely going to let you guys know. This is actually supposed to be a deep wave wig. All right, I'm going to show you guys on my phone the actual Amazon link of the wig, because I was going to wait until Amazon Prime Day, which is on October the 8th, but I'm not going to wait. I'm just going to order another wig then, and then show you guys what I got. But this is the wig. This is how it looks. Let me see. I wish my phone could focus. But this is the Lemoda 250 density curly lace front wig, human hair, 13x6 deep wave wig. It says it was 12A curly hair, HD transparency. This wig is $215. However, they do have a $20 off coupon as soon as you log in, and it probably took me about 2 to 3 days shipping wise to actually get this wig, which I was very surprised. But yeah, they have really good reviews. I want to kind of show y'all, but my light is kind of too bright. But yeah, this is the actual wig, y'all. I'm very, very surprised. It has 4.1 stars out of 5, about 200 reviews, but I did get the 26-inch. It was $215. I got the coupon at the shipping. I believe it was $208. I did purchase this with my own money. And me personally, on Amazon, I feel like if the wig is $100, $90, $120, I'm not going to buy it because I feel like it's going to be bad quality. So I do like good quality. But even me looking down, I do see a couple hairs that are different colors, if they're like gray or light blondes or light browns, which is fine. I mean, this isn't like no crazy amazing wig, but I do see a small gray hair. I'm looking at it now. You guys might not be able to see it, but there is like a small gray hair. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. Well, I'm super light, but yeah, there's a small gray hair in here. But overall, I'm really, really liking the wig. So we're going to come back in like a week or two, and I am going to let you guys know what I think about the wig. But my God, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm shook. I'm shook. One time for the wig, y'all. One time for the wig. And this is 26 inches, by the way. It's giving baddie on the way. Yeah. Alright, so this is the wig, you guys. It's so thick. Like, the ends aren't thin. I'm just surprised. I'm so surprised. Like, even though the hair in the front is short, that's how it normally is. But y'all, look at the ends. It doesn't even look thin or anything like that. It got body, like everything is just eaten down to the gods. The link for the hair will definitely be down below, and I'll also put it on my Amazon storefront so you guys can find it. But god damn, we got a deal. Alright, so I will definitely see y'all after I get it. Hey y'all, okay, so welcome back to the video. So here's the rest of the hair review. So first things first, I do want to say, after the initial review that I did do for y'all earlier in the mix, what I do want to say is, y'all, I am in love with this wig. Not only is the lace eating, okay, everything is eating. The lace is eating, the texture is eating. Like, y'all, look at this curl. I can always tell when it's some good hair when it does like this little curl after you brush it out. Not only is that good, but y'all, the density of the hair. This is a very super, super, super thick wig. It may not look that thick now because, like, I did have my hairstylist brush it out when it was like all the way wet, and then just let her do her thing. But y'all, when I tell y'all, this wig is so fire. Like, literally, y'all, I went to go to the pharmacy to pick up my medication, and I had like came around the corner, somebody stopped and they was like, Like, they were still standing there outdoors. I'm like, jump scare, okay? Like, how my niece be saying, jump scare. All right, but y'all, this hair is amazing. Like, I don't know, I'm just feeling like a different bitch. One thing I will say when it comes to this hair, it feels different. This is the Lemoda hair, Lemoda beauty hair, well, Lemoda hair period, but this hair feels different. Like, you know how sometimes when you get hair and you can feel that it's going to be crunchy, or you can feel like the dryness or some type of chemical processing when it comes to the hair. This hair doesn't give me that. This hair gives me like very soft, very silky, but this hair gives me like, okay, this actually feels like somebody's hair. Like, if I was to play in my homegirl hair, this is what it would feel like one of my homegirls. So like I said, and that's their real hair, but I really like this hair. The only thing I will say, you have to understand, this is curly hair, so it is not low maintenance hair. I did take a nap, but as you can tell, the hair is not dry at all, but it just now became dry on the end. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water just to kind of wet the ends or whatever, but it's nothing that can't be fixed. Hold on, y'all, my lash has been sticking all day. But what I will say, it does have a little bit of a factory smell. Like, if you've ever worked in a factory or you've worked at a warehouse, you know how it has that smell where it's like, it's not strong, but it's a small lingering smell where you can feel like, okay, something is being processed, then it ain't me, okay? But not like processes and chemical processes, and like maybe there's a conveyor belt, maybe there's a lot of packages or whatever's going on. But yeah, y'all, I really like this hair. Once again, I did mention that this is a, I believe it's 200 density, or maybe it's 250. I'm not really sure. All I know is that I will put the link, the actual link to the site, the link to the actual hair and everything. But mind you, I bought this wig on Amazon, and a lot of people have been talking shit about Amazon wigs. They quick to say, oh, it's an Amazon wig, so it's not gonna be this, it's not gonna be that, lace isn't gonna eat. Y'all, look at the lace. I just want y'all to see, look at the freaking lace on this wig. Like this. And then even my hairstylist, she was like, girl, this wig is cute, it's so thick, the hair is pretty, the lace is lacing. And one thing about it, the knots were so tiny on this wig. Like, I'm pretty sure I showed you guys in the previous clip, but the knots were so tiny. My hairstylist was just ranting and raving and ranting and raving and ranting and raving. One thing about it, if the hair not all that, we're gonna agree the hair not all that, or if the color's not all that, or if it's not as thick as it could be, or if it's just regular, okay, cool. But like, my stylist, my hairstylist, when she be like going in about the wigs, like, girl, yes, where'd you get this from? Like, da da da, whatever, know was Amazon wig, da da da. I know that I ate. Me personally, I am a full supporter of the LGBT community, and so is my cousin. But when my cousin liked my post on Facebook, and he's liking it, he's commenting all that stuff, I know I ate. Because if I didn't, he's gonna tell me, yes, sis, that's, yeah, cuz it's not eating, it's not giving what the girls want, okay? So yeah, I really did most of the review already. I'm actually about to go, I just got home early, I just took a nap and I'm up now, so I'm actually about to just go ahead and film some other contents. I know I do owe you guys a try on haul, so feel free to definitely check out my other videos for that. But yeah, it's very demure, very mindful, and my skin is actually acting right, y'all. I had took a bentonite clay facial mask yesterday, and like whatever bump I had here is like so tiny now, it's basically gone. But yes, I'm so excited. I am so excited. And then tomorrow on my first channel, actually Allure, I'm able to post readings again, because at first YouTube did block me because they tried to say that something happened on my channel where I was posting some type of content that was against the guidelines. Whole time somebody was reporting me because they was hating. But anyways, this is the video. So if you're interested in tarot or readings or anything like that, feel free to check out my other two channels. But if not, you can definitely stay here for life, beauty, travel, hair, all that stuff, and story times. Bye.